So, as some of you may know, if you've seen some of my other reviews, I have recently, probably in the last few weeks, just started to look at creating images and video and other things using AI. And the first thing that I should point out is that it is a very, very confusing world. I must have probably checked out 35 different AI applications. I don't know of any other genre of IT where there are so many offerings. And I frankly have found it very confusing. Also, some of them are free-ish. Most require a subscription. So far, I have subscribed to three AI programs. Open Art, which is very good. But I must say, I've created two projects and run out of credits already, though I have subscribed. So next month I will get, or later this month, I will get more credits. I'm using a thing called Hugging Face, which is a lot cheaper, but very confusing because it's got all sorts of apps and experimental bits and pieces in it. And I was advised, strange enough, by ChatGPT to try a program called Promptus AI, which is only available on a PC, and you do need a pretty powerful PC. Found that very good, but after just generating three small clips, my subscription said that I'm out of credits. So it was quite surprising when I found this. This is Google's Whisk AI, and hopefully you can see it says experimental. I like this because it is free, although you do get limitations. Normally, I think 7 videos. You sign in with your Google account. But why I like it is that most of these models, as they're called, require you to, some will allow you to upload a photo, but then I put a prompt in and so forth. This is quite clever because what it does is it has up here on this side a subject, and now you can either upload a photo, so if I do that, and use my photos, let's see, I'll throw that one in. So that now is your subject, and it can be a person, a cat, whatever you want to do. You then choose a scene. Now the scene can either be uploaded from a photo too, so if you've got a desert or something, you can throw that in, or you can put in a prompt, something like let's go, the White House interior, and then basically generate it. It's very quick, and what it will do is it will generate different versions of that scene, bearing in mind that I'm recording this, and there you are, that you have that picture. So now you've got your, for want of a better word, your foreground and your background. You can add a style. I won't do that, but basically once you've done that, you literally can go in there and just say, make the man look like he's in charge. I mean, that's extremely vague, but whatever. You just tap the button and off it goes. Image wise, it seems to do them all for free. I haven't had any problems with creating images. It's just a limitation on the videos. They don't call them videos, they call them animations. But there you are. So that's generated these. Tap on that picture and then you got the animate, and away it goes. And it's now turning that into a video. You can give it some context. I don't know, make the, properly spell it, make the windows all smash. And then off you go. It does take it a minute or two, so I'll probably speed this bit up. And what I'll do is I'll throw some examples of what I've created with it. And I have to say, for something that is technically free, sound as well included, I'm very impressed with it. I mean, I don't know if it's going to stay free. I've also found a program called Grok, which I've also posted a review on, which is free-ish. And literally hundreds. I mean, if I pop out of this while it's doing it, that is the apps that I've looked at, and that's not even all of them. There's an awful lot of AI stuff out there, and that's what I find very confusing. Anyway, let's go back and see how it's doing. So as I say, if you leave it a minute and a half, generally speaking, it will do quite well. I'm running this on an Android tablet. It's quite a powerful tablet, but and my Wi-Fi is decent enough, but it's still taking a little while. So let me just leave that to go. And as I say, that, for the sake of it, for a free application, is better than some of the ones that I've seen that you pay a fortune for. So as I say, it's Whisk by Google. And that's your item. And basically, if I turn the sound up and tap the button, there you go. Not bad, considering I've only used this for 4 times and it's free, and I have no talent whatsoever when it comes to AI. That's it. Whisk from Google. Have fun with it and let me know what you think in the comments.
Check out these earbuds. The sound quality is phenomenal. And this new smartphone, the camera specs are absolutely next level.
People ask me why I call myself a gadget guru. Gadget Osar.
So, what's your absolute favourite food? Chicken. I thought so.